for me, break for me, break the body for me.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So yes, you guys, you can already tell what this week's video is going to be about based off of the title. Yeah, I am just so shocked and I'm just like, okay, what do I even do in this situation? And I'm talking about my Coach Quilted Tabby Backpack. I have actually noticed a defect, and we're definitely going to get into, what that defect actually is. But of course, you already know before I can officially start this week's video, I just have to take the time to thank everyone. Thank you so much for the likes, the comments, you coming back for more. It is oh so greatly appreciated. But other than that, though, let's just go ahead and dive into this week's video of an issue that I'm having with my Coach Quilted Tabby backpack. Okay, you guys. So I have my Coach Quilted Tabby backpack right here. On the outside, it's beautiful. It is magnificent. And I have raved about this purse in so many videos where I've, talked about, I think it was like maybe weeks ago where I talked about all of my favorite Coach backpacks. I only have three backpacks, but this one definitely being one of my favorites. I showcased it in my Coach collection. I even raved about how I feel like Coach's backpack purses just don't get the recognition that they deserve. But okay, and taking into consideration though, I have had this purse for well over a year. I got this bag back in June of last year, so June 2024. So yeah, it's definitely been way over a year. But let's just get into it because I know you already want to know what the issue is. Like I said, everything is fine on the outside of the bag. In pristine condition, taking into consideration how often I've carried this bag. But the issue is the strap inside of the bag. Beautiful, pristine condition. But if you look at the chain right here, do you see where the leather, it's no longer connecting, like it's no longer interwoven into the chain? Oh, yeah, you can see it way better. So, do you see that, you guys? This is the issue. I literally wouldn't have never even noticed this issue had I not been changing out my bags. I was actually getting ready to switch into this bag and I literally noticed this. So both pieces are the leather, it's broken. So I really don't know what to do in this situation, you guys. It's like, do I do another DIY project? And what I mean by that is Gorilla Glue. I have Gorilla Glue literally in my cabinet. And I'm just like, do I try to glue the two pieces back together? I really don't know. I really don't know how to fix this. And I feel like if I put glue on it, that's going to just ruin the bag. And also, too, taking into consideration, there's no longer an active warranty on the bag. That was one of the main reasons why I love purchasing really the majority of all of my Coach pieces through Coach because of that 1 year warranty. I don't think you can buy an extended warranty with Coach. So it's like from the day that you purchase the bag, that's, I would think that's the start of your 1 year warranty. Please don't quote me on that. But if anyone knows, please weigh in the comments section. But either way, like, I don't know, you guys, excuse me. I don't know. Do I super glue it with Gorilla Glue? Or do I just buy the whole brand new bag? Like, do I just buy a whole nother bag from off of Coach's website, which is kind of crazy for me to do, especially when I just talked about in last week's video about how I was just going to use all the handbags that I already have. But it's just like, I really love this bag. And yeah, the Coach Quilted Tabby line is a beautiful line with Coach. It is, but between issues with the leather pilling and with the strap, I mean, I don't know if anyone else has the same like issue with me with the strap. Now, I have heard women complain about how the strap is too thin. Yes, I would definitely have to say I do agree with you. The straps are a bit too thin, on really all of the Coach Quilted Tabby pieces. This one, and then even my Coach Quilted Tabby. Well, let me show you my Coach Quilted Tabby 33, you guys. This chain is a lot thicker. And I think the reason why it's a lot more thicker is because of the size of the bag, this being a 33 in comparison to the Coach Quilted Tabby backpack. You can definitely tell the difference. This one is a lot thicker than this one. This one is way, way, way thinner. So it's just like, I don't know. I really don't have any other option. Like I said, the warranty, is no longer active. I had a warranty for an entire year. And I really wished I would have noticed this because who knows how long the strap has been like that. I just so happened to notice it recently when I was getting ready to change out bags. And I mean, while the Coach Quilted Tabby backpack in the black is still in stock on Coach's website, which I'm really shocked, honestly. I didn't want to have to repurchase the bag again. So, I mean, I'm a bit upset, you guys. I don't know if I'm showing it on camera, but I am. Yeah, I really don't know because it would, like the issue, it would just happen to stop like right there. You see, like in the keyhole right there. So I just feel like if I continue to wear this bag, I feel like it's going to get even worse to where more of the leather is going to start to break. I don't know if that was something that I did. So that's why I say I'm not trying to blame Coach or anyone because it could have actually been my fault. Of course, that's something I'll never know. I mean, you're not really supposed to pay attention to, the straps like on your handbag. I mean, you just take it and go and fill it up. Um, yeah, this is really pissing me off though, you guys. It really, really, really is because I'm out of luck. I mean, there is nothing that I can do. I mean, I can try to gorilla glue it back. I could, but I just don't think gorilla glue is going to fix that. I really don't. I don't even think if I took it to a leather repair shop, they would even be able to fix it. That really, really, really sucks. It really does. I really love this bag because it's so reminiscent of Chanel. It's even reminiscent of the Chanel backpack. But man, the quilted tabby line, it's good, but it's just for those minor things like this. And I know this is not with everyone's, purchases because I know a lot of times people are like, well, it's not an everyday bag, it's going to get, scratches and wear and tear. And while all of that may be true, still paying that kind of money for a handbag, you should have the option of being able to wear it every day if you wanted to. I mean, we work hard for our money. Coach is not cheap. It's not. I consider Coach as being a luxury brand. So, yeah, I know I have a lot of bags. And yeah, I know a lot of my bags just sit there. But when I do pick a bag to wear, I wear it. When I say I wear it, I don't baby my bags. Like I swing it, I toss it, we sit it down. I'm not trying to baby the bag and be careful with the bag. That's the whole point. So I don't know, you guys. I'm definitely keeping it. Oh yeah, because eventually I feel like the black one is going to go out of stock. And like we said, Coach is notorious for bringing like drops. And then it's like once they're gone, they're gone. They never come back. And it's crazy because I was literally just looking at Coach's site, their retail site, and I noticed they actually have the pink Coach Quilted Tabby Backpack. Seems like the price has dropped even lower. The last time I checked, and this was just a couple of days ago, it's 198, you guys. 198. And I think the black one is still 495, which is the regular price. But 198 with tax for me being here in Alabama, I think that would only be about roughly 216. That's a really good deal for a handbag that's, almost $500 for 216. So I have the itch. I'm not going to even lie, you guys. I honestly have the itch of purchasing the pink handbag. It's so cute. Only thing that's different about it is it has the silver hardware. That honestly does not even bother me at all because I definitely have been gravitated, and I've mentioned this a couple of times in videos before. I've been gravitated towards the color red, pink, and I don't even have, honestly, this is the only pink bag that I have in my collection. My mini Coach Rowan, and I really just got lucky with this bag. I got this earlier this year. I wanted a mini Rowan. I had wanted the mini Rowan in the denim, but they never brought that one back. Or they may have, but it seemed like when they brought it back to Coach's outlet, it was always gone. So I definitely wanted to try out a mini Rowan. When I tell you this thing can fit so much of stuff and it is so cute. I've worn this a couple of times and people always compliment me on it. Like, this is what I mean by the color pink. Because pink comes in so many different hues, but this is a gorgeous pink. It's like that, what do they call it? That pebbled grain leather. I like it. So, like I said, in my defense, I don't have a lot of pink bags. So I have the itch, you guys. I know I said last week I was going to use what I have, but that bag being that price, and it's a Coach Quilted Tabby backpack. I love the Coach Quilted Tabby backpack. Side note, I actually use my Coach Quilted Tabby backpack more than I use my Tabby 33. I love her. I love her. I love her. I love her. But alternate times I do carry her maybe a couple of times every so many months. So I'll keep you posted, you guys. What I decide to do, like I said, I'm definitely keeping the bag. We are keeping the bag, but I just can't see myself paying the full price over again when I no longer have an active warranty. Like I said, I purchased this bag June of 2024, fell in love with it, took it on a family vacation last year, no problems, no scratches, nothing, which is so strange to me because it was the complete opposite with my Tabby. I had the Coach Quilted Tabby 26, had so many issues with it. I mean, it was sent to me already with defects. Last year, when I purchased it in March of 2024, Coach was kind enough to send me a whole brand new bag. But I did give that bag away because I really wanted 33 the entire time. But no issues. Side note, I have not had any issues with my 33, and that's probably because I don't carry it that often. But okay, you guys, this has already been a long video. I just had to come on here and vent. I am low key pissed. I really, really am, even though I'm probably not showing it. I've gotten so good at just, being able to hold my composure together. So you'd never really know when I'm pissed. But yeah, I'm very much so pissed because there's nothing I can do about it. But I don't know. I may just go ahead, purchase the pink one, and see, look at that, you guys. It's even at the top because the leather, it's broken in half. So you can see it right there. And I just feel like it's going to be an issue the longer that I keep wearing it. It's at the top, and then we already know it's literally right there. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, that's just making me mad all over again. Okay, you guys. Like I said, I will keep you all posted. to see what I do. I'm not giving the bag away. I absolutely love the bag. I may just try to Gorilla Glue it. I may even take it to a leather handbag shop, and we'll go from there. But I may be getting that quilted pink tabby backpack. I think it's fuchsia pink. The color is beautiful because I had actually tried out the tabby 26 in the fuchsia pink color earlier this year for my birthday. Loved it, but the only reason I did not keep it was because of like the inside flap. I noticed it was like a shade darker than the rest of the bag. So I don't know. It may be the same for the backpack. It may not be the same for the backpack. I kind of want to go ahead and get it. I do. Because like I said, I'm in my pink girly era. But anyways, you guys, that's it. I hope you do come back next week for more. Like I've mentioned, probably for the 100th time, I will keep you all posted on the updates, letting you know what it is that I do. But none other than that, though, please like, subscribe, comment, and until next week, bye.